Welcome to our channel. Are you feeling tired and sluggish? Or maybe you're looking for a way to boost your energy and feel your best? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore 8 superfoods that can completely transform your health and revitalize your body from the inside out. Get ready to feel amazing. Superfoods are not just regular foods. They're packed with nutrients that can do wonders for your health. They're the real deal when it comes to fueling your body, enhancing your energy, and helping you feel your absolute best. But you might be wondering, what exactly makes a food super? Let's dive in. Superfoods are incredibly nutrient-dense, meaning they provide a ton of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber that your body needs to perform at its best. When you eat these foods regularly, they can help reduce inflammation, protect your body from disease, and support vital functions like digestion and metabolism. Essentially, they give your body a natural, healthy boost that can make you feel more energetic and ready to take on the day. Unfortunately, many of us don't give our bodies the nourishment they truly need. Instead, we turn to processed foods high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and chemicals. Over time, this can lead to a variety of health issues, from low energy and digestive problems to chronic inflammation and poor immunity. But don't worry, there's good news ahead. So, what's causing all these issues? Well, a lot of it comes down to our diets. Foods that are high in refined sugars, unhealthy fats, and low in essential nutrients contribute to poor digestion, sluggish metabolism, and tiredness. These foods cause inflammation in the body, making it harder for you to feel active, focused, and healthy. That's where superfoods come into play. These foods are like a natural, health-boosting magic bullet for your body. They're rich in the good stuff, things like antioxidants, healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins. And they can do wonders for your energy levels, digestion, and overall well-being. They're here to help cleanse, nourish, and fuel your body the right way. So, let's jump right in and start our countdown of the top 8 superfoods you should definitely add to your diet if you want to revitalize your body and boost your energy. Let's begin. At number 8, we have sweet potatoes. These orange beauties are packed with complex carbohydrates that give you sustained energy throughout the day. Unlike simple sugars, the carbs in sweet potatoes break down slowly, helping to keep your energy levels stable and prevent those dreaded energy crashes. Sweet potatoes are also a great source of fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. They're loaded with vitamins A and C, which support your immune system and promote glowing skin. So not only do sweet potatoes keep you energized, but they also help you look and feel your best. Next up, at number 7, we have almonds. These little nuts are full of healthy fats, protein, and vitamin E, all essential for boosting your energy and supporting your overall health. They're the perfect snack to keep you going throughout the day without weighing you down. Almonds are packed with antioxidants, which help protect your body from oxidative stress and inflammation. These nuts also provide protein, which is essential for building and repairing muscle, and healthy fats that keep your heart in great shape. Eating almonds regularly can help boost both your energy and your mood. At number 6, we have leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula. These vegetables are loaded with iron, fiber, vitamins, and minerals that your body craves to stay strong and energized. They are great for keeping your metabolism active and your immune system functioning properly. The iron in leafy greens helps to transport oxygen throughout your body, which is crucial for sustaining energy levels. Plus, the high fiber content helps support healthy digestion, making these greens a must-have in any diet. At number 5, we have chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, making them a great superfood to add to your daily routine. Chia seeds have a unique ability to absorb water and expand, helping to keep you hydrated and feeling full longer. Their high omega-3 content supports brain function and reduces inflammation, while their fiber helps maintain a healthy digestive system. Coming in at number 4, we have the powerful blueberry. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage and support healthy aging. The antioxidants in blueberries, particularly anthocyanins, have been shown to reduce inflammation and support brain health, making them a great choice for keeping your energy levels up and your mind sharp. At number 3, we have the creamy avocado. Not only are they delicious, but avocados are also packed with healthy monounsaturated fats that are great for your heart and overall health. The healthy fats in avocados nourish your colon, reduce inflammation, and help improve your body's absorption of essential nutrients. They're also high in fiber, which supports digestion and helps you stay energized throughout the day. At number 2, we have the ever-popular banana. Not only are they a quick snack, but they're also loaded with potassium, which helps regulate your blood pressure and supports heart health. Bananas provide a quick source of natural sugars that give you an energy boost without the crash. They're also packed with fiber, which keeps things moving in your digestive system, helping to avoid constipation and bloating. And finally, at number 1, we have the humble apple. An apple a day really can keep the doctor away. And it's not just a saying. Apples are packed with fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins that support your digestive health. The soluble fiber in apples, known as pectin, helps regulate digestion, promotes healthy gut bacteria, and keeps your energy levels stable throughout the day. Plus, they're low in calories, making them the perfect snack for anyone looking to stay healthy and energized. There you have it. 8 superfoods that can help revitalize your body, boost your energy, and support your overall health. By including these foods in your diet, you'll be on your way to feeling better, looking better, and living your best life. Which of these superfoods are you excited to try? Do you already include any of these in your diet? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our health tips. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.